So we have, do you want to build a snowman? F is sharp in the key signature. Left hand for the opening. 4 bars is using the D, which is the dominant, and the G, which is the tonic. The right hand starts on A and goes up by fourths, and then the thumb comes to the B, and then the C. And it does that basically 4 times. On the 4th time, though, it doesn't go to the D, it just stops on the C. And they work together like this. The right hand shifts hand position after that to there, to the G and A together is that blocked second, that harmonic second. And this is where the words start on the tune. The left hand is going to stretch or jump down to the D, an octave lower. If you find that hard, you can actually just stay on the upper D, but the right hand's actually going to take it over, so that might get in the way. But if you don't want to do the stretch. Anyway, the right hand has the melodic line. And this is the sort of what happens in between the words. So we have thumb comes to the G, and then we play that blocked fourth, that harmonic fourth from A to D. And then there it is one more time. Then the second part. So we're kind of outlining the second inversion G chord. And then the little fill that we have is so a hand position change. And then we're back to this G, outlining that chord again. And then we step up to the C and back down and skip to the G, to the D, up the 7th to the C, you notice the F natural, and we have a blocked 6th. So the right hand part starting from where the words start. So we were here, and then we have, do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door. It's like you've gone away. I don't have that D in my range. The left hand, as I said, it went down to that G. So it's do you, and then the left hand comes want to build a and snowman. So just the G to the D again. And then the D plays. Come on, let's go and play. So I've got the F sharp to the D. Play. The D again. I never see you anymore. So left hand has the 6 from E to C. Anymore. Come out the door. And and then a fifth to the B. It's like you've gone away. Okay, so it's going to sound like this. Okay, that's the first verse. Moving on to the second part of the verse. Finger 2 moves to the E, and then the F, and then we have a fourth from the D to the G, while the left hand plays a B. Okay, that's our little fill. And then we go to the "we used to be best buddies" part, which fits in the hand really well. We have a D, we repeat the D, and then on that repeat of the D, we have a stepping down and up pattern. And then an open fifth. The left hand is playing C and E. You can either play it with 1 and 2, because we're going to go down to that a little bit later on, and then it makes it a little bit easier to reach down for that F sharp. Or you can just do 1 and 3, 2 and 4, and then jump to F sharp. But I'm going to do it, I think, with 1 and 2 on the C and E. And then the right hand has a Frere-Jacques pattern from the G, which is when we go up by step twice and then skip back. And the left hand is going to play the B and the D. Finger 3 of the right hand moves to A, and we're open to this fifth with fingers 1 and 4. Thumb comes to the A, B, and then we have another sixth, this time on the G and E. One more time. Thumb under to the A, B, and open to the sixth. The left hand has the F sharp, while the right hand's playing the fifth from the E to the G, the E to the B, sorry. On the thumb coming under, the left hand plays B and D sharp. And then when the right hand plays its sixth with G and E, the pinky goes to the E in the left hand. So when we put it together, we get the fill is in the left hand this time. So we were on the E, go to the B, the D, and then A and C sharp here. And then the right hand comes back with its idea from the beginning. Left hand has A and E to the C. So go from "we used to be best buddies," hands together. Stepping down and thumb comes under. again. E flat in the left hand, and that chord. That's the okay bye part. So the E flat is still in the left hand. We've had that. Fa on the G. 2 crosses down to the F sharp, back to the G, left hand moves to the G, so the G's together, goes up the 5th to the D, go up a 3rd to the B, filling it into the A, and then going to the D on top. And then we go back to something that's very similar to the opening, except it starts on the B, and then to the C, okay, well, that's a nice big chunk of this song. Have fun with it.